Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2019 GO5 Xdrive M Sport 3 litre D. The vehicle is presented in the black sapphire metallic and comes with a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, which has got the carbon effect. At the front you can see both the fantastic, very striking LED headlamps along with the carbon effect front splitter and air duct inlays. We've got the 22-inch option BMW 742M alloys on this vehicle, which are all in great condition. Behind there you will see the M Sport Plus brakes. We've also got BMW sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Down the side you can see it's a fantastic clean and tidy example. So a few new facts about the new X5. It does come with a two-way adjustable air suspension on both axles, giving you a very comfortable yet still very sporty and responsive driving style. This vehicle comes with a full black Venenskia leather. Both drivers and passengers can enjoy heated as well as electric movement and memory for driver's side. We've got the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. All of that interior is being beautifully lit by the ambient lighting package, which is of course all interchangeable. Moving around to the rear, where in the back of the new X5 you've got a very spacious and comfortable 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench with a darkened M Sport headlining, of course. On this vehicle we've got the Parking Assist Plus package, so that includes not only a rear facing reversing camera, we've got a front and a side view cameras as well. At the back we've got these very striking 3-dimensional rear lights. We've got the beautiful dark high gloss exhaust trims, a split folding tailgate, which is of course automatic, and then we simply have to click this button and down drops the split tailgate. As you can see there, that's a very large boot space, alongside of course split folding seats. Moving on to the driver's side, and again around here you can see it's a very clean and tidy example. Not forgetting to show you the carbon effect rear diffuser, and again those 22-inch alloys really do look very well on this stunning GO5 X5. We'll hop on inside the car, as they are absolutely jam-packed with technology, especially such as this one. Inside we've got a wireless charging tray. We've even got a heads-up display to give you even more information than the wonderful live cockpit you see in front of me. It's covered just over 14,000 miles. Comes of course with a touchscreen professional wide navigation and media screen. Starting the car up, we'll hop through all of the major talking points and features, beginning with of course the multimedia, DAB, Bluetooth audio, music collection, Apple CarPlay, screen mirroring, absolutely tons of multimedia. In terms of the sat-nav system, that's a really easy one to use because of the touchscreen capability. We'll show you the cameras. So popping the car into reverse, you can see there it's automatically picked up that the object is closer to the rear. That is thanks to me having the car in the automatic camera mode. However, I can not only select individual cameras, I can also have a 3D view of the car, which takes inputs from all of the cameras surrounding the vehicle, and then I can even choose which view I would like of that. The car does have the BMW gesture control, and again that gives you a wide array of different inputs to have, so you can accept phone calls, you can turn the volume up, you can even control the cameras with gesture control. So we're going to move on away from that back to the car itself. In terms of its service requirements and service history, you can see there that it's got the pre-delivery inspection service, and this vehicle is booked in at BMW Nottingham to have a service, so that'll all come with full BMW service history of course. The wireless charging tray is just down here, and you'll see we have got a heads-up display as well. So this vehicle not only is a very nice one to drive, it also comes with all of the equipment you could want. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you would like some more information on the car, follow the links down below. That'll take you through to our website, and there is also direct contact details for ourselves as well. Thank you very much guys. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.